Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you want to wow your taste buds and your friends and family with made-at-home cocktails, what you are missing is this bartender's secret sauce because it is absolutely amazing. We have been sharing this with friends and family sparingly because we want most of it for ourselves, but they are completely blown away by the taste and we are all obsessed with it. You are not limited to just making old fashions with this syrup. I have been loving making whiskey sours with it, and in fact, I've been using tequila with it too, and my husband makes something with rum with it. It is very versatile. This bottle looks small, but this is highly concentrated. 16 ounces is going to make you 64 drinks. That is outstanding value. So a tip the manufacturer has is to make sure that you stir this really well for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Now, sometimes I would kind of forget about that because I would put my ice in first and then it was kind of difficult to stir. So just as a pro tip, mix it up first, then add your ice, or of course in a shaker that will eliminate that problem. We feel like this is the perfect blend of sweetness, spices, and tang. In fact, my husband just wants to drink this by itself from the bottle, which I've had to restrain him from doing. I think you're going to love it as much as we have. We highly recommend it, and that's our point of view.